Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove a background on Google Slides. So guys, first is of course go to your Google Slide, and now as you can see my background is currently orange. Now to change that or remove that, you could just simply select the slide that you would like to change it, and you will have your background option at the top. So select change background, and now you will have two options. You could either select a color that you would prefer, and after that you could also do choose image over here, which you could just simply upload a image based on your preferences, and you will have here multiple categories. So now I will upload our mobile background as an example, and now from here just simply select done, and we should be able to change it. Now if you want to make it remove, of course you would just simply select the color white and select done, and just simply change the text color as well. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.